Fitness tips for better health. Try incorporating a few of these into your daily routine each week and watch your health change. 1. Strive for at least 150 minutes of exercise per week. Break it down to 40 minutes 4 days a week, or 30 minutes 5 days a week, or however you'd like. Choose what works best for your lifestyle. 2. Cut your coffee calories. Cut calories in your morning cup of coffee by skipping the cream and sugar. Instead, try drinking it black, or reducing your amount of each. 3. Make sure you drink enough water. Most adults need about 2 quarts of fluid per day to replace normal water loss, or approximately 8 8-ounce glasses of water per day. 4. Increase your protein. Add protein powder to smoothies for an added boost. Choose unflavored powders for versatility. 5. Eat the rainbow. Eat foods that are closest to their natural state as possible. Aim for whole, fresh foods in a rainbow of colors. 6. Try working out in the morning. Get that heart rate up first thing in the morning. While the time of day makes no difference regarding results, you may be more likely to make excuses as time goes on. 7. Keep a fitness journal. Tracking keeps you accountable, and studies show that those who keep journals are more successful at weight loss than those who don't. 8. Don't diet. One of the best fitness tips may seem counterintuitive, but stop dieting. Reverse the letters in the word and edit what you eat. Make it a lifestyle change toward healthier foods, not a deprivation plan. 9. Don't forget to warm up. Without doing this proper warm-up, you're likely to exacerbate joint and/or muscle pain and cause injury during your workout. 10. Stretch, stretch, stretch. This is so important. Be sure to stretch after exercise. If you can loosen your muscles post-workout, you'll have happy joints ready to go for your next sweat session and less pain. 11. Keep healthy snacks on hand. Select healthier choices to have on standby in your fridge when hunger pangs or emotional eating strikes, such as a bowl of fresh strawberries or blueberries. 12. Prep hard-boiled eggs. Make hard-boiled eggs at the beginning of the week for a ready-to-grab protein-packed snack you can eat by itself or add to other items like avocado toast. 13. Eat slowly. One of the most powerful yet simple tips to try is to eat slowly. Put your fork down in between bites to keep from overeating. When you eat more slowly, you allow your mind some time to recognize when your body is full. 14. Don't just focus on the scale. Find different ways to measure success other than stepping on the scale. Instead, pay attention to how you feel after you've been working out consistently. Think about the long-term health benefits of exercise. 15. Get enough sleep. How much and the quality of sleep you get can directly affect your appetite. 16. Listen to music that motivates. Music can help take your workout up a notch if it's music that appeals to you. One of the best tips is to have a go-to playlist that instantly gets you in the zone to work out. It's like having a trainer right in your ears. 17. Pay attention to your thoughts. Thoughts are powerful, bring awareness to yours. Do you encourage yourself with body positivity or hold yourself back with negativity? Changing your mindset could be all it takes to get your health on track. 18. Make a list of positive affirmations. Here are a few to get you started. I love to exercise. I want to live a healthy life. My body is getting healthier every day. The last thing. Meditate. We need more meditation and less medication. Meditating is easy to do and its benefits are numerous. Reduce stress, improve your health, get centered, breathe better and get focused. Have a healthy life. Consider subscribing the channel.